You are going to love the 2026 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, LED headlights, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, lane departure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.